Welcome back to my channel. Look at this integral. We have integral sine of 4x over here, numerator. Here in denominator we have sine x. Let's try to decrease sine 4x angle. We have sine of 2x equals to 2 sine x into cos x. Therefore, from here I can find sine of 4x equals to what? It is same as 2 sine 2x into cos of 2x. Why? Because if it is sine 2x, then you have sine 2 into sine x into cos x. Now here, if it is sine 2x, you have xx. Now if it is 4x, you will have 2x. So instead of sine 4x, I can write this. Instead of sine 4x, I can write this in numerator. Here this is 0 to pi by 2. Here twice sine of twice x cos of twice x upon sine x. Now still I am having here sine x. So now let's decrease this sine twice x once more. So this is same as integral 0 to pi by 2. So this is formula we have. Twice sine twice x, this we have formula. So twice 2 already we have 2 sine x into cos x. This is for sine 2x formula. And then we have cos of 2x upon sine of x dx. Now this sine x and sine x gets cancelled. So what we have? 2 into 2 is 4. We have 4. I can take outside. And then what we have is cos of x into cos of twice x dx. Now remember we have formula twice cos A cos B is equals to what? Is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. I want to use this formula. So in order to use this formula, I need 2 over here. So this 4 is same as I can write 1 2 over here as well as 1 2 over here. So now whole I can apply this formula over here. So here cos A is x, here cos B is twice x. So this is same as twice integral. I will make integral over here outside. Cos A plus B. Here cos of x plus twice x is what? 3x plus cos of A minus B here. So x minus twice x is minus x. And then dx. Remember, what is sine of minus x? As well as what is cos of minus x? Cos of minus x is same as cos x. Why? Because cos x is what? Cos x even function. Or what? Sine of minus x is minus sine x. Why? It is odd function. Therefore, cos of minus theta or is same as cos theta, or cos of minus x is same as cos x. Therefore, cos of minus theta or minus x is same as cos x. So I can remove this minus. Now from here I can integrate directly. Now if I integrate this directly, therefore this equals to twice integration of cos 3x is what? Sine of 3x upon 3. Why 3? Because I need to differentiate 3x with respect to x, therefore 3 comes. And then plus here sine of x upon 1. Now our limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Here the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Here also 0 to pi by 2. Here limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Now let's substitute x equals to pi by 2 over here. So here 2, if I substitute x equals to pi by 2, here 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is what? Remember we have this. Here is 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2. Here is 1 comma 0 distance, this point what this one is minus 1 comma 0. If I go this unit distance, here this is what 0 comma 1. If I go unit distance here 0 comma minus 1. So here CS. So sine of 3 pi by 2 is become minus 1. So this become minus 1. So minus 1 upon 3 plus sine pi by 2. This is CS. Sine pi by 2 is what? 1. So 1 upon 1 is same as 1. And then when I substitute 0, sine 0 is 0, everything becomes 0. So this is same as 2. If I take LCM here, 3 minus 1 plus 3 is equals to here. Minus 1 plus 3 is same as 2. 2. Therefore, answer is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the required answer for this integral.